Good morning, everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Bola, and today's our topic is soft skills matters more than technical skills. Technical skills and soft skills they are totally different from one another, but both are necessary to different and successful in a job. Basically, technical skills are incorrect skills that are specific to our job and are required for us, and it it will do work accurately and precisely. And if you are a chief and a cooking, it would be your hard skill, and if you are a programmer or a coding, would be an example. Technical skills includes tools and machines on which you work and get the proficiency after a certain time. Soft skill, on the other hand, that are be interpersonal skills or people skills that can be used at any job or every job. This includes a communications and the teamwork and adaptability. Soft skills also called a transferable skills because you can transfer them from one job to the another job. And technical skills are generally learned and through schools, colleges, and training centers and previous works. They are more objective. It means that once you have learned that information or task, you will then it will be able to process the skills. And soft skills are more difficult to develop. You will need a practice that them and time in the real world with the others. It comes naturally to some peoples, while other may not have such an easy time with them. Soft skills are often used in everyday situations like getting uh, expertise and time management. And to some of soft skills can be regarded at a presentation skills. Technical skills are easy to measure. Employees can get a good idea of your skills by looking at your education and the previous experience and various certifications. And soft skills are comparatively different to evaluate, as can't they can't really communicate it through resume or the cover letter. Instead, an employer has to wait until an interview or some days on a job to get the idea of your soft skills. And in critical thinking, uh, problem solving, and leadership communications or teamwork, well among all these mentioned soft skills, critical thinking and problem solving is the one of the skill which students are lacking, and the hiring managers consider these two soft skills as a students as a priority. And since critical thinking is the ability to gather, analyze, and evaluate, to apply the information, and not having these skills, and it creates a real problem for organizations, of course, not being able to solve problems in the itself. And some skills such like listening or collaborating with others and presenting ideas and communicating with team members are highly valued in the modern workspace. Or strong soft skills ensures a productive and the collaborative and healthy work environment. All the vital attributes for organization in an increasingly competitive works. The modern market offers consumers an unlimited number of choices that are uh, that are through the technologies such as the internet and smartphones. For such, the consumers are convincingly uh, communicate efficiently and effectively with consumers. Therefore, vital factors in an organization is successful. Thank you.